We just made it to the car meet. My camera, it recorded me on the way over here, but unfortunately I didn't put on my lenses for the camera, so everything is just white. You can't see a damn thing, like, at all. So but yeah, this is the car meet here. As a matter of fact, let me go around looking at the cars so I can show y'all. So I couldn't record a proper intro, unfortunately. That's the fastest car here. But it's supercharged. You can tell right there. And then you got a 400Z. There's a 400Z. It's nice. It's bagged. No, hold on. Yeah, it's the 400Z. Fair lady. It's nice. BMW. I'm not sure if he's a part of the car meet, but yeah, look at this one right here. Damn, it's like 26-inch wheels. Monte Carlo SS. It's nice though. The paint job. I would definitely own one of these. I don't know about the wheels being so big though. That's for sure. But it's nice. Alright, I think I'm done walking around. I will hit you guys up when we are on our way out. So I'm gonna go ahead and gas up the bike. Also probably switch out the GoPro battery, and then I will turn you guys back on as soon as we are headed out. Doses. Alright, y'all, this little car cruise is over. We're officially going home, or I'm going home. It's gonna be a long ride, long little chilly ride at that. There we go. Let's roll, man. Let's roll. Here comes Dumb and Dumber.
Damn, 48 minutes? Where the fuck you going? 50?
Home.
Damn.
Better back up, bro.
I love you, man.
Love you too.
Damn, boy. Oh my God, the whole
Hey, let's go, bro. We're leaving.
Oh, man, damn.
Yeah, bro. Peace out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, peace out. Go ahead, bro. Alright, time to go home. Ooh, those gotta be aftermarket. Cuzzo, if you're watching this video, are those aftermarket tail lights? They look like it. Ain't no way them come stock like that on the 370. GPS says 48 minutes. Let's see how it says 3:45 arrival time. Let's see if we can beat that. Gotta get used to this quick shifter, man. I try to go from first to second back there. And it just said oh man, that's the worst. From first to second, trying to quick shift, it's a hit or miss, man. It always does that. I hate that shit. It's embarrassing. On the way back home though, we already cut off 3 minutes off our time of arrival. That's pretty good. Trying to get back at a good time, that way I can get on the game for a little bit. Maybe edit this video. Nah, I'll do that tomorrow, actually. the clutch into next gear, but it didn't take a lot of effort. But with this quick shifter, it seems like it's taking a lot of effort. Or at least it takes a lot of pressure for it to go into next gear. Slow down Harley rider. See, if it was a sports bike rider, I'd pass him and he probably wouldn't care. But there's a Harley rider, they gotta stick up their ass. If I pass them within at least a lane of being close to them and passing them at like a good speed, man, they get anal about it. I'm gonna get away from him just because, like I said, I don't know how they react. I'm getting there. I'm getting back to it. I'm getting comfortable again. This time coming back home, I hit it a lot harder than I did on my first video, for sure. I was a lot more timid in my first video just because it was like, you know, I haven't been on a bike in a while, but now, you know, I'm getting active again, you know, flipping her and everything. So this time around I was a lot less timid and a lot more active. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As I said before, I'm trying to be consistent with it, with the uploads, regardless of what it is, just me riding. But I do plan and hope to make more friends, riding buddies, so we can go ride, just have a great time. It's always better when you're with a group of people or friends in general riding. I wish I would have done this on my first bike and make a YouTube, but you know, I was more focused on the 360 video, on the 360 like TikToks and showing like the different perspective from behind. I'll try to make the most of this video. I'll see what I can do. But that's gonna be all, guys. I appreciate you for watching. I appreciate you for the current subscribers and any new future subscribers. I want to say thank you, and I love y'all, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.